Think about your body's daily water intake. Some days you might drink a massive jug of water in a few hours. Other days you might sweat heavily playing sports without taking a single sip. To survive, your body has to navigate both extremes without missing a beat. This balancing act is called osmoregulation. It is the control of the amount of water and solutes in the body, constantly adjusting based on exactly what your system needs in the moment. This shows the human urinary system. The primary organs responsible are the kidneys, located in the abdominal cavity. They dynamically adjust internal filtration and reabsorption based on your shifting water levels, dictating the type of urine produced. Osmoregulation is a continuous, active process. By shifting how they process fluids minute by minute, the kidneys prevent dangerous internal extremes, keeping you safe from overhydration on one end and severe dehydration on the other. Let's look at the first state, a scenario where you have excess water in your blood. This diagram shows the microscopic structure of a single nephron. Your kidneys contain millions of these, and this is where the actual work of osmoregulation occurs. In a hyperhydrated state, the first step is pressure filtration. The network of capillaries here, the glomerulus, forces a high volume of water out of the blood and into the Bowman's capsule. But the crucial friction point happens next in the renal tubule. The process of reabsorption, pulling useful water back into the bloodstream, is kept very low. Your body already has too much water, so it leaves it in the tubule. The combination of high filtration and low reabsorption forces that extra water out of your system in the form of abundant dilute urine. Your blood water levels return to normal. Now, let's look at the exact opposite scenario, dehydration. Before we map it out, take a moment to predict how the filtration and reabsorption rates will change to conserve water. The rates flip entirely. When blood water is low, filtration drops and reabsorption skyrockets. Looking back at our nephron diagram, you can see the initial response. To conserve fluids, the glomerulus filters less water from the blood into the Bowman's capsule. Then comes the most critical step. As the fluid travels through the tubule, the nephron maximizes its reabsorption, pulling as much water as possible out of the waste fluid and sending it right back into the bloodstream. Low filtration combined with high reabsorption ensures the body retains the water it desperately needs. The result is the production of a small amount of highly concentrated urine. This table maps out both physiological states, summarizing how the kidneys handle osmoregulation. When you have excess water, high filtration and low reabsorption yield abundant dilute urine. During dehydration, low filtration and high reabsorption conserve fluids, resulting in concentrated urine. Quick question: what type of urine is produced with excess water in the blood? A. Abundant dilute urine, B. Concentrated urine, or C. Blood-stained urine? The answer is A. By shifting fluid processing rates, your kidneys maintain perfect internal homeostasis, keeping chemistry balanced.